Sugarcane juice is a refreshing drink made from the sugarcane plant. First, the hardcover is peeled away with a knife, leaving only the fleshy pulp. Second, sugarcane pulp is chopped into small pieces to make blending easier. To enhance the flavor, fresh ginger roots are added. To make the drink colder, ice cubes are added. To extract the juice, the pieces are transferred to a machine and squeezed. Our sugarcane juice is ready for use. Lastly is how to make it at home. First wash the sugarcane and then peel the hard outer skin. Then chop the sugarcane into small pieces. Add it to the blender, along with the ginger, and grind it. If necessary, add a little water and re-grind. Extract the juice by squeezing it with your hand. If you want, you can add it again into the mixie jar and add water. Grind it one more time. Take out the juice. While serving, squeeze in some lime juice. Sugarcane juice is now ready to drink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.